Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, back from vacation and back to get at it. So this video is all about the life cycle of the monarch butterfly, one of the most treasured butterflies we have here in the western United States, the way it flits around. But here's how it all happens. So first you have a female monarch laying eggs, typically on Asclepias butterfly weed, and these eggs are teeny tiny. They'll hatch in a couple of days after she lays them, and they become these big, beautiful monarch caterpillars. Now this is technically the larval form of the monarch butterfly. It's these wonderful yellow and black with a little bit of orange caterpillars, and they will spend the next 12 to 17 days pigging out. Their favorite food is butterfly weed, Asclepias. And that's why Asclepias is a critical plant for the monarch butterfly. I always encourage folks, plant some Asclepias in your garden if you want to attract all these ones, even little guys like that little bitty one. That one's only a couple days old. Notice how much smaller that one is compared to the really big one that you see there. Anyway, they'll hatch, they'll eat, they'll try and first eat all of the Asclepias. If they run out of that, they will eat other things, but they do love Asclepias. And then they start tearing all over the garden. This was my garden this past spring, and we had a lot of these guys just crawling all over everything. They basically wipe out the Asclepias. They eat it down to the stem, and then something really cool happens. They actually will crawl off the Asclepias after a little bit of time and start to hook onto other plants. You can always tell when a caterpillar is about to make a cocoon when it makes this little hook. And then just a day later, that hook becomes a cocoon. Now these cocoons are really tiny. They're only the size of like your thumbnail. They're not really big. You have to really kind of be careful when you're looking for them in your garden. And they start out green, and then they slowly fade to a darker color as the insect is transforming inside, and then it becomes really clear as it's about to open up, and then you have this magical transformation. So you see the little cocoon on the left, and there's the butterfly. It just came out, unfolded itself. Notice how much bigger it is than the cocoon that it came out of. They really are compacted tightly in there, and then they spend the next couple of days just trying to dry out, get the blood circulation in the wings before they start to take flight. And it's really kind of a neat thing when they start flying and flittering all over the place. So there you go. That's the life cycle of the beautiful monarch caterpillar. From start to finish, it only takes about 4 to 6 weeks. Well, that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.